Today is a correction day for the entire cryptocurrency market. Today is a test run for the Shiba Inu pricing. Fear has gripped certain investors, but experts have just dropped huge hints. The most absurd aspect? Big news just came out of Blackrock. Additionally, it has the ability to rescue Shiba Inus. Yet even more bizarre, the developers of Shiba Inus are back. Also, something major appears to be on the horizon for them. Why is this taking place? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll try to clarify. Today, it appears like Shiba Inu suddenly slammed on the brakes. Following yesterday's strong price pump, it unexpectedly plunged, causing many traders to be caught unawares. Anxiety quickly multiplied. People began to freak out, fearing that this was only the start of a much steeper decline. Concerned that it might fall considerably lower, others even hurried to sell. However, the Shiba Inu returned a few hours later. A partial recovery, but enough to alleviate some of the anxiety. It's down around 10% and still in the red. However, for a few, that temporary upturn was a welcome reprieve. Was this a one-off slump, or is something more substantial on the horizon? The peculiarity lies here. Shiba Inus just couldn't get back on their feet, no matter how much the community tried. Reportedly, burn rates skyrocketed, leading to the immediate removal of millions of tokens from circulation. However, not even that enormous fire could cause the price to change. The burn rate of Shiba Inus increased by a factor of roughly 4 in the span of a single day, according to one expert. A single transaction wiped out the majority of the roughly 16 million tokens that were burnt. Regardless of everything, the price has remained stagnant, circling back to its prior week lows. Attempts by Shiba Inu to surpass a critical resistance level have been fruitless since the beginning of February. The most recent attempt was few days ago. However, investors are asking, what is truly limiting Shiba Inu's growth, given that burns are reaching new heights and the price is scarcely responding? So, you may be asking, what the fuck is happening? What gives Shiba Inus this peculiar gait? Why are these fluctuations so extreme? Allow me to step back and examine the broader view. Interestingly, Bitcoin has also been engaging in this behavior. It fell from the high 90,000s to the mid 90,000s not long ago. Fortunately, it appears to be receiving strong backing at that level. According to one analyst's breakdown of the issue, Bitcoin may still be preparing for its next move despite this decline. Following a brief retreat throughout the previous day, Bitcoin is currently positioned slightly above that crucial support zone. The market saw widespread liquidations due to this unexpected drop, which erased more than $200 million in transactions. Is this the start of further decline? Or will Bitcoin bulls intervene and drive the price higher? That is the key question now. Traders are understandably anxious about what's to come. Then, why is this decline occurring? It appears as though the US government could be involved. Following the Federal Reserve's big pronouncement, the entire cryptocurrency market crashed. Instead of reassuring markets, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reaffirmed the central bank's hard line on interest rates in a series of cautious remarks. That caused a tsunami of panic selling and huge liquidations, sending Bitcoin and altcoins down. The market was rocked by Powell's remarks, returned to that critical support level after a discernible decline. Shiba Inu and other memcoins were also affected by the strain, not only Bitcoin. The fact that billions of dollars were flowing in and out of the market at once demonstrated how severe this sell-off was. Concerned that high interest rates may persist for some time, investors are starting to tremble. Rising borrowing costs make risky assets like cryptocurrency less appealing, and the market as a whole is clearly feeling the pinch of that reality right now. However, the intriguing aspect is here. It would appear that institutional investors are completely unconcerned by all this negative news. Taking another enormous piece of Bitcoin valued more than $55 million, BlackRock just made a significant move. One of the world's largest investment organizations, BlackRock, obviously has a sixth sense. Purchasing in this manner is not a casual transaction. Confidence is communicated. And sure enough, the mood of the atmosphere experienced an instant increase shortly after the news broke. The market's attitude can change when institutions like that become involved. Others take notice when a major player like BlackRock makes a move. In fact, this is quite encouraging news for Shiba Inu owners. And I'll tell you why. There is more at play when large financial companies like BlackRock buy large quantities of Bitcoin. This kind of large investment impacts the whole cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu may also benefit from a more favorable atmosphere if Bitcoin is stabilized or pushed higher by BlackRock's purchase. However, price activity is only one aspect. The crypto space gains legitimacy with institutional involvement, particularly from a powerhouse like Blackrock. Retail investors gain confidence when they witness big financial firms taking aggressive actions, in spite of all the negative news. For Shiba Inu and others, this proves that cryptocurrency is here to stay. It is rapidly becoming an integral aspect of the international monetary system. Additionally, it should be noted that BlackRock is not your average investor. This company doesn't act hastily, despite handling trillions of dollars. Something big is probably on the horizon if they're still pouring money into crypto. Their actions indicate a sense of long-term assurance, which could be due to an anticipated change in market attitude, upcoming changes in regulations, or some other factor. Things are about to become interesting for Shiba Inu from here on out. Meme coins like Shiba Inu still have plenty of space to expand, in contrast to Bitcoin, which has already gained widespread acceptance by institutions. On the other hand, speculative assets like Shiba Inu will have an easier time gaining traction, while institutions keep validating crypto overall. Burn rates have been on the rise, and there have been new advances in the Shiba Inu ecosystem as well as rising acceptance. These things point to the fact that this project will not be finished soon. The large investors aren't backing off, even when the market is swamped with bad news. They are, in reality, piling up invisibly. Is it possible that they are getting ready for a huge change? Does their knowledge surpass that of the average person? While much is up in the air at this time, one thing is definite. The fact that major financial institutions are increasing their investments in cryptocurrency gives Shiba Inu even more hope for its future. Let me tell you something. Perhaps we shouldn't be worried about this price drop. Just now, an analyst brought up the possibility that Shiba Inu might be right for a comeback. Renowned cryptocurrency expert Ali Martinez has revealed that the Shiba Inu price chart is displaying a crucial buy signal, which has previously indicated significant price reversals. While this signal's success rate has been low, it has resulted in significant price increases on occasion. Martinez has a history of using this indicator to foretell a significant rally. The price was near, but it fell short of his aim. While there have been instances where the signal failed to materialize, other experts are currently highlighting comparable characteristics that may indicate Shiba Inu is preparing for a breakthrough. According to another cryptocurrency trading club, Shiba Inu is currently evaluating a solid support zone. Their forecasts indicate tremendous upside potential if it can escape its current pattern. They anticipate a significant recovery, which might propel Shiba Inu to new heights. Therefore, although short-term traders are freaking out and the market has been unstable, the long-term outlook is far brighter. Institutions are increasing their investments in cryptocurrency, analysts are noticing positive trends, and Shiba Inu is working to broaden its utility. Maybe this is just the lull before a big rally. Although it is premature to make a definitive statement, it is evident that Shiba Inu is far from finished. Now we get to the thrilling part. The Shiba Inu devs had been abnormally silent for some time, but today, that all changed. If you've been watching our earlier films, you'll know what I mean. Something major appears to be in the works now that the developers have returned. To top it all off, Satoshi Kusama has just revealed a huge spoiler regarding what's to come. In light of the fierce competition in the meme coin market, a live session participant questioned Kusama how the Shiba Inu team intends to maintain community engagement. And his reaction? There is no other Shiba Inu like him. It's completely unique. He was quite explicit that there is more to this enterprise than meets the eye. Constructing a robust and enduring entity is the goal. The importance of practicality that Kusama emphasized was a major point made throughout this session. He emphasized that the buzz will come as a byproduct of Shiba Inu's continued development of practical uses. Things become considerably more intriguing from this point on.